I wanted to show you this product I got from Amazon. It's these two plastic bottles here that look like shampoo bottles. They are actually just plastic containers. They're safe for food, and the idea is to put alcohol in here and smuggle them onto your cruise ship. It came with 10 of these safety seals that just seal themselves and make it look like it's a brand new bottle of shampoo and conditioner. And it also came with this funnel to help you put liquor into these bottles. All right, we're getting on. Okay guys, so we made it onto the cruise ship, so we'll see if our shampoo flasks made it onto the trip. And it looks like they did not get passed through security. You know what, honestly, what actually ended up happening is that upon much consideration, we had a change of heart and we decided not to bring the flasks, and we purchased the beverage package. In my case, I got the ultimate package, which includes all drinks up to $12 that's alcoholic, plus Starbucks coffees and sodas. We just thought this would be a more convenient and more legal way of enjoying our time on the cruise, and so far it has been. In fact, one of the stops on this cruise is onto a Royal Caribbean owned private island, and this beverage package is valid there, so we could get all the drinks we want there. So in the end, this was the right thing to do, and honestly the more easier option. We did spend quite a bit of money on this, but just the convenience factor alone was well worth it. So I hope you weigh in your factors and decide what you want to do, but this is what we chose to do. If you do choose to purchase the shampoo flasks, I will provide an Amazon link below where you can purchase it. Otherwise, buy the beverage package and enjoy your cruise.